No one should leave home without highlighter. We'll be using our NAS Cosmetics highlighter brush, and we will be working out of the lid of our product jar. Making sure you pick up the product in the bristles. I'm going to begin by applying above my blush. We have our contour under our blush. We have our blush, and then on top, we add the highlighter. Blending it around the corner of the eye. Applying straight and then blending around the corner of that eye. Down the nose, and then to fan out across the forehead, under the eyes, Cupid's bow, and just a little on the chin as well. Highlighter is designed to highlight your features, but only when the light hits it. You'll notice as I turn my head and the light catches it, my skin looks vibrant, alive, and super healthy.